Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out in the trailer today and we are taking a look at this 2024 Skidoo Grand Touring LE, and today we are going to be adding a little antifreeze to the reservoir. This machine we bought brand new, and I think now that it's gotten all the bubbles and everything worked out, we need to add a little bit of antifreeze. There's no indication that it's leaking anywhere, but we do need to add some. So taking off the right hand side cover with the two clips, the one that's right up here and the one that's right up here, the cover then comes off. There's the antifreeze reservoir. The fill line is right there, and we're down just below that seam right there. So clearly you can't get to the lid of it in this position, but what we're going to do that is go ahead and take the windshield off, which we already did. Pulling up on the windshield right here, same place on the other side, right here, and the same place on the other side. And right here in the front, the windshield just pops off and pops right out of those grommets and can be set to the side. Then go ahead and take out the screw that's right here and the screw that's right here. Grab this panel, pull it forward and away from the machine. That will allow you to see the lid down there. If you had a really small hand, you might be able to just stop there and reach through that hole to do that. That is not me. Then we come to the right hand side here, and you have all this covering that goes over the exhaust. So we'll go ahead and pull on this red piece here and pop it out. Pull on this red piece here and pop it out. And then we will go ahead and work out this covering and expose a big spot that we can reach in and get a hold of that lid. So as you can see right there's the lid. Go ahead and take the lid off, and then you can add the antifreeze. The fill line's right here for cold fill, and then we're down in here someplace. So easy to get to it that way, maybe 10 minutes worth of taking parts off, and then the reverse is just put everything back and finish it up. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.